guys? I'm gonna do a King Ice unboxing, and this is my fourth King Ice unboxing. This is probably be the last one. So yeah, here it is. Take it out. Fourth King Ice sticker. Alright, so regular King Ice box. Bigger than the other ones, because of course this is a chain. The others were earrings. So, right. Alright, so here it is. Shit. This is the chain. Take it out. Sorry about that. All it's tangled up. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is the black on black Franco chain. It's pretty big. Well, it's not that big, but this is the size that I like my chains to be. It's really shiny for black. It's not really all black. It's like, I forgot what you call it, that color, but yeah, it's that kind of, like a silverish blackish kind of color. Yeah, it's really nice. Got this for the total amount was, oh, they never sent me an invoice, but I can't remember the full price. I think it was like $9.99 plus shipping, which was $6, probably around $15-16. And yeah, it was worth it because this is a crazy looking chain. I really like it. King Ice. So yeah, this is it for my King Ice black on black Franco chain unboxing. Please like, subscribe, comment. Peace out.